What's up, everybody? Good morning and welcome back. A little breezy, but I think it's going to be a really nice day. We were actually able to get the scissor lift over here. We had to move a little bit of a wood pile there that the customer had chopped down a tree for this building. I'm also going, we're working on our tails, getting our fascia in, our overhang, and yeah, my hair's all weird. Zach's going to help me here, and we're going to get this door header. This is a 14 by 14 garage door. I'm going to get this one done, and then there's actually a 12 by 14 over on the other side of the garage, so the client can actually drive in here and make a loop all the way around. That's what we're gonna do. We gotta get some brackets mounted. I'll build the columns with the header, stand that right up while Greg's over here. He's actually gonna make bevel boards for our bevel board nailer that we've always called a bevel board, but we've actually never beveled them. And today we're gonna make that a change, and that's gonna be a thing of the past. We gotta fix our cut hub because we had it set up for the DeWalt table saw. But honestly, I just like the Milwaukee one probably a little bit better. Hungry.
There's donuts in the trailer.
I just had one. One's never enough, Greg. You know that. Thanks, dude. You're a gentleman and a scholar.
How do you like them apples there, Kyle?
Depends. What kind of apples are we talking about? Look at that bevel board. Look at that. We've actually got bevel boards.
Perfection.
We'll show everybody what we mean by actually talking about bevel boards. Maybe in a little bit.
Huh? No, we'll just leave it till we run our fascia. You go out. Go ahead. You need Zach for a second, Kyle.
What?
You want Zach for that bottom board?
Yeah, I do. It'd be amazing. You read my mind. Out a little more, buddy? A little more? Yeah, right about there. So I'm gonna go 3 and 6 is 9, 10 and a half. Okay. This here is center. Take it towards you a little other way. Right about there. Nice. Down if you want.
Did it, brother.
Nice job, man. Hey, take her out. Too much, dude. Too hard.
Strong.
Too hard, man. A little more? Right there.
I haven't had a donut yet. Bro, disrespect. Get out of here. Yeah, 4 and 7/8.
Okay.
You got straw? I got it, dude.
Oh, I can go down.
No, I got it. Don't strain yourself.
Alright, I'll wait.
I don't want you to, like, take off any more of your years that you got left.
Well, there's not a lot left, so I really do appreciate that. That really makes my heart warm, dude.
Now you're gonna live to your 53
Well, that would be
and a quarter.
That'd be awesome. I got a lot left to do in this life. Wait, what are you doing? Yeah, okay, I can cut it. Sure. I'll use all my years of wisdom to cut this. What was your measurement?
I have 4 and 7/8. Paul.
Do you mind if I go 4 3/4?
You can go 4 3/4. That's all right.
All right, I'm gonna go 4 3/4, man.
Personally, I like my board a bit tight. I don't like when there's too much room, you know?
No, I'm with you.
dirty all the time. Cut that board.
You don't want to go up any higher, huh?
You want bottom top?
Bottom, I can't see the top. Wait, did you hook that truss or did you butt?
I butted into the...
Let me check with my tape measure.
Here, take my drill so it don't fall.
Give me my drill so it doesn't fall.
Get it, dude!
Let me see if you did anything, okay? Go ahead and give me it. Yeah, I think you got it.
Come on, dude. Woo!
No, just hold on, man. Hold on.
Hurry up! Got the bullet.
Got it? Don't let go. Don't let go, man. Don't let go. Don't let go, man.
Nope, I'm letting go. That's super loud, dude.
That's why I got my earplugs in, man. Older, you know?
What?
Huh? But we got that 14 foot by 14 foot door all framed in. Not super productive. It's a lot colder this morning than it looks. It looks like super gorgeous out. I should be having a stocking cap. Probably should have put some gloves on because I'm pretty quite cold and chilled now. A lot of people were asking why the peaks of the buildings are not lined up perfectly, and it was because this door is 14 wide. This door over here is only going to be 12 wide, and just dimensionally it didn't make a whole lot of sense, I think. But honestly, I wasn't involved in the design. We showed up and I bid this job after the foundation was already done, hence why that's an 8-inch foundation wall, not a 10-inch. Typically, if we're going to use a 3-ply 2x8 column, we're going to do a minimum of a 10-inch wall. My hair is crazy. Whatever, I don't care. Shrug life. Greg lives the shrug life. Greg, say hey to the YouTube people, man. Yeah.
Crazy hair gang?
Crazy hair gang. Greg's got his ML Riley sweatshirt on.
Custom.
Awesome. That's, yeah, custom. And I got my Ozinga sweatshirt on, which RR Buildings has yet to make sweatshirts. It's actually spring, so let's go ahead and just do t-shirts. I got those already, so. I've never done this, but I'm gonna shout out my merch store. If you go to the link down below, I do sell some hats, shirts. It's not a big deal, but if you wanna wear one, you wanna support the RR Buildings crew, I do have a link down there to some sick t-shirts that are super comfortable and some killer hats. Well, the wind has been coming and going, but right now it's just a little bit breezy, and we just finished up this front fascia. So you can see here, we got that front fascia going up to the peak and down on the other side. I want to show you how the doors turned out. I think it's going to be pretty cool, man. And that, you just wait. This interior is going to be like no interior we've ever done. I'm not going to spoil it yet. There's more than just a black ceiling, I'll say that. This is going to be opened up a little bit. There's going to be a room with a bathroom and a utility room, and then an upstairs right in this area. And I think there's going to be doors into the shop, bench and whatnot. Me and Greg are gonna go up here and we're gonna work on this overhang and get that fascia installed. And then really we just got this back wall, but there's a little bit of mud back there. I think in ideal conditions, with ideal site, with ideal weather and all that stuff, you know, this is probably like, I would say a strong 3 days of work, 4 days at the most. Would you say, Greg?
Do all the framing?
To do what we've done? Yeah, good weather and stuff. You know, we've been fighting rain, wind, cold, all that good stuff. But I'm not gonna complain, man. This is still better than working in an office. I could not imagine sitting in a cubicle next to Greg all day doing TPS reports. That would be miserable. Oh, see, this is what I don't like about lumber. Do you see this? The end?
Yeah.
That's how people make bad decisions in life. They go off of those. You know what I've often wondered?
What's that?
If a guy's cutting wood,
Okay.
and sawdust is blowing around,
Okay.
what are the safety goggles doing to you? Like, almost I feel like it makes it worse. This
Yeah,
stuff
'cause
goes in my eyes.
It's almost like a,
Like a vacuum.
well, I don't wear safety glasses when I'm cutting.
I tell you, Milwaukee, they finally released their 1-inch high torque. Yeah, 1 inch, Greg. 1-inch high torque impact wrench.
That seems kind of excessive.
Well, since when have we not wanted to have excessive?
Why would we need it?
Why not? I get to buy a whole nother set of impact sockets, yeah. Whenever you're done complaining about that, I'm ready.
You know how annoying it is to have like a flap of skin just like flapping there?
I do. What would you say your deepest, darkest secret is, Greg?
I don't think I really have a deepest, darkest secret.
You wanna know what my deepest, darkest secret is? I think we're gonna be calling it a day here, guys. We've had a week here at this job site. Not bad. I just am happy that we know spring is on the way. Well, I think it's actually here. I think we have passed the first day of spring, but more importantly, like the weather's finally changing and we're getting some just good energy. I just need to get over this cold I've been rocking, and I hope you guys stick around for this build. Hope you, hope you're enjoying it, and I think it's going to be really cool to see this thing finish up. We got some great details, some unique features that we're going to be doing here, and I think you're going to want to hang around if you're interested in that sort of thing. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. I just want to make sure I can deliver some content that's educational, maybe is inspirational, maybe even, I don't know, would I say entertaining? I don't know. I mean, can building post frames be entertaining? I don't know, but I appreciate the support, and we're gonna get out of here. So you guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.